Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Children, as you all are aware that uh, we were doing revision of your GK book and we have finished many chapters, and in revision also we have completed and many chapters. And children, today I am here for doing revision of different states and capitals of India and different states and capitals. Although I have told you in the online class also that you are supposed to learn states and capitals of India. So today I have brought few questions related to states and capital, and I hope you all will learn these capitals at least. So along with the capital, I'm going to tell you that different questions related to that topic only. So let's start, children. Now the number one is, what is the capital of Maharashtra? Now the capital of Maharashtra is, you can see that many parts: A. Mumbai, B. New Delhi, C. Chennai, D. None of the above. So here I am going to take it and I'll show it that answer. What is the capital of Maharashtra? Now Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Now Mumbai is also known as financial capital of India because maximum people, those who pay tax. Now what do you mean by tax? Tax is that some amount of money which we will give it to our government wherever we were living. If you are living anywhere that is outside the country, there also you are supposed to pay some tax. So although Mumbai is the financial capital of India, but that Mumbai city is the capital of Maharashtra. New Delhi is the actual capital of India. So now we'll come to next question number 2. Now dash is the capital of Uttarakhand. What is the capital of Uttarakhand? So here the correct answer of that capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun. That Dehradun is the capital of Uttarakhand. And Lucknow is the only capital of our state, that is Uttar Pradesh. And then we have Shimla. Shimla is the capital of Himachal Pradesh, and Lucknow. Again, Lucknow is the capital city of the people. So now we'll come to next. Now Dispur is the capital city of which northeastern state? Now what do you mean by northeastern state? Means the railways or the trains which travel from northeast. So that they were knowing, or they were telling that the capital city of which northeastern state, Dispur is the capital city, means Assam. Assam, the capital of Assam is Dispur. So that you are going to remember. As many questions which we were doing in this class, those many questions you are going to remember it. Means these many questions you can learn. Now Dispur is the capital city of which northeastern state? That is Assam. Assam is the capital city of northeastern state. Now we'll come to question number 4. Which city is also known as the summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir? Now which city is known as the summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir? Now the summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir is Srinagar. Srinagar is the capital of, or the summer's capital of Jammu and Kashmir. So here the correct answer 4 is Jammu. Now question number 5. Kavaratti is the capital of which union territory? Now Kavaratti is the capital of which union territory? So Kavaratti is the capital seat of Lakshadweep Island, and all these Daman and Diu, Lakshadweep, Dadar and Nagar Haveli. All three are your this union territory and all. Now question number 6, Port Blair is the capital of which union territory? Port Blair. So Port Blair is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Island. Okay, now Port Blair is the capital of which union territory? Andaman and Nicobar Island. Now we'll come to next page, that is Itanagar is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh. Itanagar is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh. Now we'll come to next. Ranchi is the capital of which Indian state? Ranchi is the capital of yes, Bihar or Telangana, any one you can write. Which is an Indian state. Dash is the capital of Orissa. Bhubaneswar is the capital of Odisha. Now we'll come to 10th one. 10th one is Silvassa is the capital of which union territory? So Silvassa is the capital of Daman and Diu. Silvassa is the capital of which union territory? That is Daman and Diu. Capital of Uttar Pradesh, that you all are aware that is just now we have done, that is Lucknow. Lucknow is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. Now question number 12, Dash is the capital of Meghalaya, that is Shillong is the capital of Meghalaya. Now Gandhinagar is the capital of which state? Now Gandhinagar is the capital of Gujarat. Now number 14, Thiruvananthapuram is the capital of Jammu and Thiruvananthapuram is the capital of Kerala. The capital of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram. Number 15, Gangtok is the capital of which state? Now Gangtok is the capital of Sikkim. Gangtok is the capital of Sikkim. Now number 16, Dash is the capital of Chandigarh. So the capital of Chandigarh is Bengaluru. Now the capital of Goa is Panji. The capital of Goa is Panji. Now number 18, what is the capital of Himachal Pradesh? Yes, it's correct. The capital of Himachal Pradesh is Shimla, and many more things of that is famous. Now Dash is the capital of Punjab. What is the capital of Punjab? That is Chandigarh. Chandigarh is the capital of Punjab. Now Kolkata is the capital of which eastern state? So for which eastern state Kolkata is the capital stands for? That is West Bengal. From the West Bengal only that Kolkata is getting that, na? Okay, fine. So this exercise we have finished here, that is amazing animals. So now next we are going to start because already about states we were doing in the class. States के बारे में we are already doing in the class. So that also I am going to consider in this lecture only. हम ये country के बारे में करेंगे as well as we are going to do it about the states also. तो यहाँ पे मैं I am going to consider the states also. I love my India. Noe needs your help to identify the national symbols of India. So here I am going to talk about the national symbols only. There are different national symbols. Although you all must be knowing it, but still I am taking a revision of this. Number one, our national animal is, which is a national animal, that is tiger. Tiger is a national animal. Fine. Don't get confused with lion. Ki lion is a national animal. No. Tiger is a national animal. Now we'll come to number 2 question. A national flower is lotus. National flower is lotus. The picture which is given, that is of correct answers. जो पिक्चर में आपको गिवन है, लाइक टाइगर की पिक्चर गिवन है, देन लोटस का फ्लावर गिवन है, देन नेक्स्ट इज अ नेशनल बर्ड, दैट इज peacock is given, that is, so the correct answer is peacock. So these pictures have been given to make it understand you all ki what is the correct answer and how you have to learn it. And looking at the picture you can easily conclude that okay, this is the correct answer. Now we'll come to number 4. Our national fruit is the mango. Mango is the national fruit. Now we'll come to why mango is only the national fruit. That also I have told you that in India only we will be getting more than 300 variety of mangoes. So mango comes in the national fruit of India. Become the national fruit of India. Now number 5, the national tree is the banyan tree. The national tree is the banyan tree. Don't give that pronunciation banyan tree. It's not banyan tree, it is banyan tree. Now number 6, our national emblem is, which is a national emblem, the lion capital, which is a national emblem. Ashok Chakra is not a national emblem. National emblem you might have seen on army person or those who are there in defense. उनकी कैप पे वो ऐसा भारत का ऐसा माँ के बना रहता है national emblem, having 4 lions in it. 4 lions होते हैं. अशोक चक्र is there in your flag. वो flag में present होता है. But here जो ये है lions capital, in which we were having 4 lions, जिसमें हमारे पास 4 lions होते हैं. These 4 lions were there in our national emblem. वो हमारे national emblem में these 4 lions were there. So these are the few questions which is related to your capital of our country. So now I am going to revise. I'll make you revise the 2 pages which we have done in our previous class. That also we are going to revise it. That is who lives where. Who lives where. So Noi friends live in different states of India, although in our online class we have done revision of these different states, and I've told you that you have to learn about these different states. आपको मैंने online class में भी बोला था that you have to learn about these different. हम ये country के बारे में करेंगे as well as we are going to do it about the states also. तो यहाँ पे मैं आई एम गोइंग टू कंसीडर द स्टेट्स ऑल्सो. आई लव माई इंडिया. नोई नीड्स योर हेल्प टू आइडेंटिफाई द नेशनल सिम्बल्स ऑफ इंडिया. सो हेयर आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट द नेशनल सिम्बल्स ओनली. देर आर डिफरेंट नेशनल सिम्बल्स. ऑल्दो you all must be knowing it, but still I am taking a revision of this. Number 1, our national animal is, which is a national animal, that is tiger. Tiger is a national animal. Fine. Don't get confused with lion. Ki lion is a national animal. No. Tiger is a national animal. Now we'll come to number 2 question. A national flower is lotus. National flower is lotus. The picture which is given, that is of correct answers. जो पिक्चर में आपको गिवन है, लाइक टाइगर की पिक्चर गिवन है, देन लोटस का फ्लावर गिवन है, then next is a national bird, that is peacock is given, that is, so the correct answer is peacock. So these pictures have been given to make it understand you all ki what is the correct answer and how you have to learn it. And looking at the picture, you can easily conclude that okay, this is the correct answer. Now we'll come to number 4. Our national fruit is the mango. Mango is the national fruit. Now we'll come to why mango is only the national fruit. That also I have told you that in India only we will be getting more than 300 variety of mangoes. So mango comes in the national fruit of India. Become the national fruit of India. Now number 5, the national tree is the banyan tree. The national tree is the banyan tree. Uh, don't give that pronunciation banyan tree. It's not banyan tree. It is banyan tree. Now number 6, our national emblem is, which is a national emblem, the lion capital, which is a national emblem. Ashok Chakra is not a national emblem. National emblem you might have seen on army person और those who are there in defense, उनकी कैप पे वो ऐसा भारत का ऐसा माँ के बना रहता है national emblem, having 4 lions in it. 4 lions होते हैं. अशोक चक्र is there in your flag, वो flag में present होता है. But here जो ये है लायंस कैपिटल, इन विच वी वर हैविंग 4 लायंस, जिसमें हमारे पास 4 लायंस होते हैं. दीज 4 लायंस वर देयर इन आवर नेशनल एम्बलम. वो हमारे नेशनल एम्बलम में दीज 4 लायंस वर देयर. सो दीज आर द फ्यू क्वेश्चन विच इज रिलेटेड टू योर कैपिटल ऑफ आवर कंट्री. So now I am going to revise, I will make you revise the 2 pages which we have done in our previous class. That also we are going to revise it. That is who lives where. Who lives where. So Noi friends live in different states of India, although in our online class we have done revision of these different states. And I have told you that you have to learn about these different states. आपको मैंने ऑनलाइन क्लास में भी बोला था that you have to learn about these different states. So whatever states have been given in your book, that you are going to do it. Apart from that, you have to learn different states like not only Kolkata and this Gandhinagar and all. So you have to remember different states, like few of the children they have learned also different name of the states, because India is formed by combining 28 states. India में already we have 28 states. So if you are going to start learning it, that 1, 2, 3, 4 capitals, states and their capital and their regional languages. Few of the questions I have told you earlier also, that regional languages or the total official languages in India is 22. Total number of states is 28. And this Noi's friend live in different states of India. Now we are going to help Noi to guess the different states. Now Arnab lives in Kolkata. Arnab lives in Kolkata. He speaks Bengali and celebrates Durga Puja. He belongs to, yes, I hope you all are knowing this answer, that is West Bengal. Now one more thing, that Bengal, the folk dance is Bengali dance, and they are a big huge producer of Bengali saris also. And this Durga Puja is the festival which is celebrated at this time, this Navratri festival, when we will be having this Navratri of this Dashera one. So in that, on 7th day they started praying this goddess Durga. They will keep the idol of goddess Durga, and then mostly the people, those who belongs to West Bengal, they celebrate this Durga Puja very often. So now this Arnab lives in Kolkata. So Kolkata is the capital city of West Bengal. So here the correct answer will be West Bengal. Folk dance also I am telling you, regional language of Bengal is Bengali. The people, those who are speaking or those who are living over there, they are speaking Bengali. So the regional language become Bengali. तो बेटा इसमें कंफ्यूज नहीं होना. इफ आई आस्क की व्हाट इज द रीजनल लैंग्वेज ऑफ दैट प्लेस, तो रीजन में जो भी भाषा बोली जाती है, लेट्स से उत्तर प्रदेश के रीजन में मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल दे वर स्पीकिंग भोजपुरी, तो यहाँ की रीजनल लैंग्वेज क्या हो गई है, भोजपुरी हो गई है. सो ही बिलोंग्स टू दैट पर्टिकुलर state, that is West Bengal. Now we'll come to number 2. Alka lives in Gandhinagar. She speaks Gujarati and loves to play dandiya. So she belongs to, now Gandhinagar is the capital of Gujarat. So she speaks Gujarati. Regional language will become Gujarati and folk dance of Gujarat will be dandiya. And Gujaratis, they fond of eating different dishes, dhokla, fafda, thepla and many more dishes were there which are quite famous from Gujarat. Gujarat say all these dishes are quite famous. So that also you will remember, regional language is Gujarati. Now we'll come to number 3, that Vinod lives in Mumbai. You can see that two children on this left side. On this left side, see, these two children, they were praying Ganpati Bappa ji, Ganpati or Ganesh ji. Vinod lives in Mumbai. He speaks Marathi. Again, Mumbai is the capital city of Maharashtra and they speaks Marathi. It means their regional language is Marathi, which is one of the official languages, and they celebrates Ganesh Chaturthi. He belongs to Maharashtra. They very often play this, celebrating this Ganesh Chaturthi. They love to play. Ganesh Chaturthi is the festival of 11 days. इसमें क्या करते हैं, they'll keep the ideals of गणपति जी, जो गणेश जी होते हैं उनके आइडियल्स, जो छोटी छोटी मूर्तियों को they will स्थापित करते हैं. दे आर कीपिंग इट आर होम फॉर 11 days. फिर उनको विसर्जित करते हैं इन दैट वाटर, रिवर में, और इफ दे डू नॉट हैव रिवर तो ओशंस में, वहाँ पे सबमर्ज करके आते हैं. सो दैट इज देयर. सो विनोद लिव्स इन मुंबई एंड ही स्पीक्स मराठी एंड सेलिब्रेट्स गणेश चतुर्थी. ही बिलोंग्स टू महाराष्ट्र. सो मोस्टली महाराष्ट्रियन पीपल सेलिब्रेट दिस गणेश चतुर्थी अलॉट. ये गणेश चतुर्थी का जो फेस्टिवल है, दैट वाज सेलिब्रेटेड इन मुंबई और इन महाराष्ट्र मैक्सिमम. बट नाउ अ फ्यू ऑफ द फेस्टिवल विच वर सेलिब्रेटेड इन रेस्ट ऑफ द कंट्री ऑल्सो. कंट्री के दूसरे एरियाज में, दूसरे स्टेट्स में भी दे स्टार्टेड सेलिब्रेटिंग ऑल दीज फेस्टिवल. So that is again an important thing. Mumbai में what is next which is famous, that is Gateway of India. So that also you will remember. Gateway of India किसने बनवाया था? Gateway of India बनवाया था ब्रिटिशर्स ने. When their first Queen Elizabeth was coming to our country, तो उनको welcoming के लिए they have made it. So that you are going to make it, or that you are going to remember. Now we'll come to fourth one. Meena lives in Chennai and speaks Tamil. Now about Tamil, what is important? Tamil is the oldest language in the history of India. India की सबसे पुरानी भाषा, that is what? That is Tamil. So Tamil, the people, those who are living in Tamil Nadu, they specially speak Tamil. तो वहाँ की जो regional language है, that will become Tamil. Regional language Tamil हो गई. And then capital city of Tamil Nadu is Chennai, and she celebrates Pongal. Means that Meena who lives in Chennai, which is the new name of Madras. Chennai जो है, that is capital city of Tamil Nadu, and earlier the name of Chennai is Madras. तो पहले इसका नाम क्या था, चेन्नई का मद्रास था नाम, एंड दे सेलिब्रेट्स, शी सेलिब्रेट्स पोंगल. Now what do you mean by this Pongal? Pongal is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल होता है जब भी नई फसल आती है, राइस जब हटाया जाता है, निकाला जाता है, देन एट दैट टाइम दे वर सेलिब्रेटिंग पोंगल. और जो इसका एक पार्ट होता है, जो भी वॉट एवर दे हैव ग्रोन इन देयर फील्ड, उसका एक पार्ट जो होता है दैट विल बी गिवन टू द गॉड. वो गॉड को दिया जाता है, गॉड सन को, दैट विल बी गिवन टू देम. So that also you are going to keep it in your mind that Tamil Nadu, the regional language is Tamil, that capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. Okay, now they celebrate Pongal. So all these things you will do it. Now we'll come to number 5, that Karan lives in Chandigarh. He celebrates Lohri and speaks Punjabi. So Karan lives in Chandigarh. He celebrates Lohri and speaks Punjabi. He belongs to Punjab. करण जो है वो कहाँ रहता है, चंडीगढ़ में रहता है. एंड ही सेलिब्रेट्स लोहरी एंड स्पीक्स पंजाबी. वो सेलिब्रेट करते हैं लोहरी एंड दे स्पीक्स पंजाबी. सो ही बिलोंग्स टू विच स्टेट? सो ही बिलोंग्स टू पंजाब. Now Punjab and Haryana, they both are sharing a common capital. पंजाब का भी कैपिटल हरियाणा चंडीगढ़ है, and the capital of Haryana is also Chandigarh. So that you are going to remember. Now this I am going to show it to you. ये मैं जो आपको चैप्टर सब करा रही हूँ, this I am showing you from your book. आपकी बुक का ही है, with pictures. So you will remember this all the questions with these pictures itself. Now number 5, Karan lives in Chandigarh. He celebrates Lohri and speaks Punjabi. So he belongs to Punjab. Now we'll come to number 6. Number 6 is what? Brinda lives in Dispur. She celebrates Bihu and speaks Assamese. Brinda lives in Dispur. She celebrates Bihu and speaks Assamese. Now Dispur is the capital city of Assam. So she belongs to Assam. So Brinda lives in Dispur. Here the regional language of Assam is Assamese. So that is used in their official work also. So that is again an official language. As you can see that all in these 6 states you will be having 6 different languages. 6 states में 6 different languages है. So out of that we will be able to understand, means अगर 6 different languages अलग अलग है, it means that regional languages मैंने आपको बताया official languages of India is 22. So that is purely correct. वो बिल्कुल सही है. क्यों सही है? Because that 22 states were 22 languages were there from 28 states. Some of the states are sharing a common regional languages, like Uttar Pradesh Hindi is there, Bihar Hindi is there, Jharkhand Hindi is there, Uttarakhand that is Garhwali is there, but that is Chhattisgarh. There also they were sharing this Hindi only. तो कुछ जगह पे तो हिंदी ही है, and rest of the states they were having their own regional languages. So children, in today's class we have revised this who lives where, that is your chapter that is related to states and capital. So I hope you all have understood the name of different states and its capital, and you have understood this also that you have to learn about different states. So now here I am going to finish the class for today, and I'll give you a quick revision what we have done today. So let's start with that. First we have done with making a living. What do we do for getting money for our daily need? That we have done. After that we have done I love my India, different national symbols we have done. And then very important part of this chapter, that is making, after making a living, then we have to